Hello, welcome to the stream, guys. So, what's up? How is going? How was your day today? Let me know. I hope everyone is doing good. Some settings I need to do today because what happened yesterday night, I told you guys, right? I need to do some, not exactly renovation kind of stuff, but it was like I customized my table a bit. So, that took a lot of time for last night. It was like till 3 o'clock, I was doing the same thing. Yeah, let's get started. I'll just open the Chrome so that we can get started with the Amazon. Here we go. I hope like everyone is doing good. Let me know in the chat what are you guys up to today. All right. So we have this page. In this, let's look up to some devices. This is Amazon business. Mm, so this one is Ultra, right? They haven't mentioned anywhere is it for Ultra or the normal one also. Oh, okay, series 10. How does it look? I have the watch, by the way. I'm using the Series 10. It has this screen protector that I'm using. Not just the screen protector, but it protects everything, like the body also. I want to buy something. Uh, I want a case for Series 10 which looks like the Apple Watch Ultra because the look wise Apple Watch Ultra is good. What are your thoughts, guys? Hello, welcome to the stream. This one looks really good. What else? This look extremely weird, but still, some people like that, right? So it's up to the choice how they like it. I really like this one from Spigen or Spigen. Wait, I'll show you. Like the military watch finish that they have. It's a little bit like this. One is like a metal case. Okay. It's a metal case, and for backside, it does not have anything. So it looks good, but screen protector. It is not having a glass on the top, but it has this bezel. Those who are new, just make sure to put some comments so that we can check out your wish list product as well, so that we can help you to make the better decision. It has backplate. First one is the aluminum alloy metal frame. Then we have our watch, and then the ceramic. Okay, like black cover. Nice. So it has both ways thing. Inner rubber is also looks good, but the price is a little bit high, I would say. Let's see. Okay, the price has always been like this for this product. No, just a 25 rupees different. But yeah, this price, if they're giving a metal thing, that also how many quantity are they giving? Just one quantity, then it's not a good deal because iPhone cases like this metal cases are more cheaper than this. It does not make sense to me at least. The black one looks good. The metal cases are good. This one is also one of a good stuff. This price range. If it is a metal. To install it is. I do have one case. I'll show you. See this one, the one which I'm wearing right now. Wait, I'll go and I'll show. This one is like if I remove it, you'll see. So without the case, it looks so good. But it's risky to use it like this. That's the reason I use this particular. I have multiple videos on the channel regarding. Let's install it. Installing this one is also very easy. Just put it like this and just snap it. That's it. It goes off like this. And the case glass that it has is really good. That's the reason I have bought this one. It makes more sense to me as compared to the others. And for the band, I have multiple other bands. Totally three I have, including this one, this Apple original. Compatible with Apple Watch, upgrade to is bumper upgrade. Okay, but it does it make sense? Is it a metal based one? The problem with this glass, no, what happens? It makes the touch a little bit weird. They haven't mentioned that thing. No worries. From Spygen also they have one, but I don't want that look. I want to change the look. Okay, one is very cheap. That what are the reviews of the people? It looks a little bit weird now. Not that good. Now I think I should have went with Ultra during that offer. This one looks good only. The price is 100 for two. Let's see. In images, it looks so good, and when we see this original image, it looks a little bit weird and bigger than the actual one. See, it looks so big. This itself on my hand is little big, not that much. We can say perfect to little big. Any other product that you want to check, you want me to check, I can also search for those products. Anything like phone, laptop, or any other series. We can have a look at those products as well. Here it feels like it has a little bit height in this images. Here, I wanna see this one. It's like Ultra itself. Yeah, it's with Ultra. Ultra look wise is good. Comes so much good, right? This band it looks so like so much good. Too better. The one which I read. I hope I'm clearly audible on the screen. Hello. Back it does not look good. Let's see what are today's big. This IQ has always been good, like this color. Nowadays, this type of vacuum cleaners are also very trendy. ORD Viper OP. Hello, hello, bro. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you guys. I saw your live streams, like ORD Falcon's live stream. I think you guys were playing, right? I was quite busy in the evening, so I left very early from the live stream. I just came, I liked, I commented, I waited for a few minutes, and then I left because I was working during that time. When I'll see you guys on a webcam. Zotac 50, 70, 12 GB. Peanut. OC graphic card black. DLSS 4 great. DDR7 192 bits. Dual fan. SFF ready. iStorm 2.0 advanced cooling. 5 years extended warranty as well. Why does it say the current bitrate is lower? Got some releases. Uh, I got a MacBook Neo, by the way, and it's damn good. Does everything I wanted. Oh, great. That day we discussed about it, right? By the way, what's your name? Because I see just your YouTube tag. So with that name, I cannot exactly call you, right? What's your name? Is it good? Like it does good for you, you are saying, right? It is good. Which color and which model did you went for? Which color and which model? Audible clearly? Which one did you bought, by the way? Any description that you can put? Which model did you bought for this MacBook Neo? Finish what you started. Great. Good thing takes time. Growth, happiness, outside your comfort. like the planet. One is the world map. World map mousepad looks good and actually makes sense also, so that you can have an idea. Is it a periodic table? Yeah, it is. Periodic table mousepad also we do have 729. I mean 279. The lowest price for this is 279 in the past 3 months. In the past 6 months, it's 277, and all time it's 330. So the lowest it has went is somewhere over here on 18th October 2025. We do have for the Excel, Word, PPT, Office, and Windows. So all kind of shortcuts basically. These ones are also like very trending nowadays because it has dual thing. Like you can use it like this, also like this. One is also dual. This mouse is also good from Potronics. It has that proper design for using it. It gives your hand a good rest. The mouse looks so small. I think this the same mouse that I have. Logitech G102. This one Logitech. Let's check out some new mobile phone. Those who are new to the stream, just make sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel so that you get the chat option. Let me know your product which you want to check. I can just dive into it. I'll just check what all specs it has and I'll let you know like is that the best product for you or you should look for something else which makes more sense for you. The IQ Z11X. Which process? 7400. And which one does the OnePlus has? One was this. One has 8 sizes. Okay, this is okay. This is also a good device under this price, right? Like under 20,000. M series is really good series because they only sell it online official. That is what I have read. Like if you search for Samsung M series detail, they haven't listed it. What is Samsung M series? A primarily online entry level and mid range budget smartphone manufactured and developed by Samsung. In this C, it is primarily based on online selling. So that's the reason it comes for cheaper price. But they have again removed that proper One UI experience. They are using the core One UI. That's one we can say. TM36. Only thing is they should not use the Exynos. The one which I had that wasn't having Exynos. M51 5G. Neo is also a good series in IQ. This looks good. But the catch over here is it's just the stand that they are giving this stand, not including this controller. Evo Fox, I knew it because of the logo itself. These are triggers. This is the laptop that I have. It's phone holder and this laptop holder together. It's a really good thing. If you want to invest in both, like separately investing in these two things does not make sense. Instead, you can go with this one. Like it will be a good option. Hmm. What's up? Yeah, hi, and welcome to the stream. What's up, bro? How was your day? कसं काय? एकदम मस्त. How was your day, bro? Pretty normal, by the way. Yeah, like little bit sleepy. Actually, because of last night stream that we did, we spent too much time late. That later on for setting up this table, like for putting the actual wrap that I showed you guys yesterday, right? So putting that took me a lot much time that I did not sleep well last night. What about you? Yeah, for me it was okay, okay. Like I did the same thing. I usually follow the same routine. So is it done? Yes, it is. Like without doing it for the night, what happens? See, when I'm installing this, no, when I need to install this table wrap, what happens? If I install it late night, then I can keep it for that overnight, and then next day I can set up my whole PC again, whole things again. So that's the reason I kept it for late night. My webcam got delayed. Uh, you told right, like it's a thunderstorm that's happening in your, I mean, area. So that was little bit obvious. Like I also said the same thing, right? It might be little bit delay because of that. Did they mention any reason like why it is delayed or something? You know, one good thing I liked about one brand, that is the one YouTuber brand only. It's about only what's needed, protein, whey protein. So one day I ordered only what's needed from Swiggy. It was okay, but when I ordered it from the official website, it got delayed because of some reasons. Like first time it came, it did not get delivered. I don't know why. Second time, directly it did not get delivered. It showed like no one has the home, whereas I was at the home there. So what happened? I just contacted them. Before the date itself, it was showing like this. Means this they said in 2 days you'll get the delivery. On the second day, I wasn't getting anything. So at the max, what they did was they literally delivered it from Thane somewhere. They have their branch in Thane somewhere. They delivered it by that Rapido. They literally sended a guy with that product to my house and I got the delivery. It was amazing experience that they gave. It might have costed them such a lot money as compared to what it would have costed with the normal standard delivery, but it helped me to get the product and it satisfied me, whereas it also added their brand value, right? For me. Now I'm doing the like publicity also. That's the reason. I already told ChatGPT about it. Lol. They don't even send a single notification. It should be because of that thunderstorm only in your locality. Same goes to Fifine for me. Oh, Fifine did some good service for you. You mentioned you had an affiliate account. No, they did not send a single notification. Yeah, the same chat. So, do you have a affiliate account or something like that? I think you had like that. You said. So, what was the special thing that they did for you? Define. Because I use Fifine. I ordered it from Amazon. On Amazon, they have so many products. I thought Fifine is not that famous brand. But now, after listening from you also and some other YouTubers also, I have started seeing Fifine a lot nowadays. This mic looks good. XLR based mic. I once dropped my mic after 1.5 years of purchase, but still, not only they replaced the mic, but they also refunded me the half amount for the delay because they directly sent me the mic from China. Oh, that much good experience. Like it was done by you, still they refunded. I did not get it. Like how? What was the exact reason? Did you tell them that it was dropped? I don't think so. You told them because they would have just checked it, and since it wasn't working, they would have directly returned you the product. But refund is something good that they did. The half amount refund. Now I can't recall which particular model is this one. I wanted to search like how exactly warranty they are providing. I have this monitor on Amazon Basic. No, I have a little bit different design as compared to this one. Oh, it's a Pro one maybe. On Basic monitor. Um, it was hydraulic based. First, I was going with this brand. Later on, I went to a different. Yeah, I clearly told them that I dropped that by mistake, and they provided 1 year of warranty, and my mic was 1.5 years. Still, they did that. Then it's a really good thing. Like that much good service they have, then it's something more better, right? Like, can you tell me how did you went through that process? Like, whom did you contact? Because in case if I need something for this mic in future, I can think of it. How did you contact them? I have a look which is like this, but this product is what I am thinking I have bought. Wait, let's check this. The new one that I have bought, right? Like the table wrap that looks something like this. But there were so many problems while setting it up. It took so much of time. Somewhere it has gone torn. Previously, when we did the like I did it with my father. So last night it was too late, so I did not call him. He was sleeping downstairs, so I itself completed it somehow. I want a gaming PC like this, a big gaming PC. I want to build one by myself. It looks so good. Well, first I asked ChatGPT, so it suggested me to see if we find India team. So, but bro, if I find India team is literally shit. They told me they hold me for around 7 days without any. Oh, that much. Okay, I think I get the point. Like, what would have happened in your situation? In which cases this brand will do like this? Let's say your product was having damage, right? That's what you mentioned. So now you send them to repair it, but they did not have any other option. Like there was no way to repair this, maybe because any reason. So what they did, instead of leaving you like this, they might have given you another product, right? And they, as you also mentioned, that they returned the refund for it. I mean, they gave a refund amount for it, which is something weird. Why did they give that? Because already they are giving you a new product. So that, so after that, I emailed FIFA in global team China, and they worked on it. Nice. So that makes more better thing. Like instead, if I have any problem with this FIFA, I'll just go with the direct Chinese support. I have a plan to set up my one monitor like this, but for that I need to have two monitors. So soon in future, whenever I feel like I need it, I'll just go with one extra monitor, and this monitor that I already have in front of me, I'll put it in the vertical mode. No, no, I got the exact same mic from Fifine AM8. Okay, okay. But the new one, right? Like instead of this, the broken one, they would have given you the new product, right? Not the model. I'm talking about the product. See, this color table wrap I have right now, exactly this color. See, this also looks like a table wrap only. It's not a complete board that they have set up. Yeah, new one. Okay. If they are giving new one, then it's really good service that they have. But after 1.5 years, that I am shocked because it has a warranty of only 1 year. For me also, 1 year would have been passed already. By the way, you remember like when I did my first stream, one guy came and asked about the MacBook Neo. He has already purchased it. That's what he said today. In the chat, he has already came. He came, he told me like he bought it and he went. Hate towards China is so unnecessary, but they actually work more. Yeah, like they have good ethics when it comes to the people. They have certain rules in which they work into. But when it comes to the international place, they have some problems. Like they'll try to dominate their own stuffs. What? That's the main thing. To Congo to that guy. Yeah, congratulations to that guy. He bought that. But the thing, I still not exactly against that product, but I tell you some things. Mm, look, you know, every nation want to dominate. Yeah, that's the truth. See this MacBook Neo, no, it has one thing that is this keyboard. Keyboard does not have the lights. Backlit keyboard is not there. Display bezels are so much big, I feel, and this touchpad that is there, it is not a proper one that MacBook Air or MacBook Pro has. It's the basic one like how we have in Windows laptop, where we have to click. So it will actually get pressed and then it will render. But in MacBook Air and MacBook Pro, they have a touchpad which does not get pressed, but it still gives you that feedback. If you have ever seen a closer view, if you have taken, You will feel like it is getting pressed, but it isn't. It just have that vibration motor which gives you the vibration, and you get to know that the button has been pressed. And at the back end, it will just judge how much pressure you have put, and accordingly, it will do the clicks. So that is one kind of advanced technology that they are using. I want to buy the MacBook M1, but went out of stock. Is it? Like, did you check the official site? Mac M1. Somewhere here only they will list out all the products, right? Here it goes. Mac M1. Buy now. This is M5 chip. Why aren't they showing the M1? Can it run PR, AF, Blender smoothly like an laptop? See, MacBook Air is the average device, I would say. It cannot do more heavy tasks. In case if you are a video editor like you are, or in case if you like to do animation kind of stuffs, I'll tell you to go with the MacBook Pro. That's the proper device as compared to MacBook Air. MacBook Air is for someone who does the stuffs in a medium level, like normal editing, not on daily basis and not on 4K editing. 1080p editing will work in MacBook Air. But if you're doing 4K and all this, then MacBook Pro would be a good option as compared to Air. I was talking about Neo. MacBook Neo feature is not that good. I'll show you one big thing that they have downgraded. Wait, that's about the processor. Here, text. See, they have downgraded it to A18 Pro. Now, Pro is one different chip that they have made for the MacBook specially, but A18 is a chip that you get in iPhones. So those chip they are trying to use it over here again, but it is a Pro series again. That's more better than that, but it's still somewhere around that model itself. It has 6-core CPU. Okay, these are all the tech specs that it has. If you compare the A Pro chip with the uh, A18 chip, it's not exactly the one. The A Pro offers superior performance over the standard A18 featuring a 6-core GPU for 15 to 20% faster graphics, higher clock speed, and 20% faster neural engine. Both use 3mm technology for Apple Intelligence, but the Pro drivers better ProRes videos encoding uses the 3 speed and USB 3 speed and the higher memory bandwidth. It's like that phone one, but it has more cores, more GPUs, and more better at neural processing. That's it. But the complete idea is like the phone only, or else why would have they given that same name, right? They would have given something else as well. Neo uses the phone processor, not exactly the phone one. They have named it as a Pro, and they have increased it some performance. I prefer Canny. What's that, by the way? Canny. Kanye. That a product or what that is? And it's a name lol. It's a meme lol. Okay. Hello, Sahil. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you on this stream. By the way, Anup, if you're not sure, like rapper, helper. If you're not sure, like I'll just tell you, Anup, I'll just introduce Sahil. He's a person who is watching my gaming stream mostly. He watches Krypton live. And for Sahil, Anup is someone who we just met on stream from the first day. He's being there always. So Anup has been always my partner on stream. Rapper. Why rapper? No. Okay, this meme. Like, oh, this rapper you are trying. Okay. Kenny is a rapper. Okay. I did not knew this. Zizang. You. Hey man, what's up? Welcome to the stream. I see so many people coming today. I did not know about this rappers. Uh, got the boat Basshead 220 for 516. Amazing product. Yeah, we talked about it that day, right? Like on Thursday, we spoke about it. Boat makes really good products nowadays, I can say. Boat Basshead 220. Now the price has been increased. Same blue. 220 or 225. Did you bought from Flipkart? Because Flipkart have that different models and Amazon have some different model names. Both are almost the same, but the model names will be different because with that name they are selling on Flipkart and with this name they are selling on Amazon. That's it. Dishan Kapalia. Hey, hi bro, what's up? Hi Repora. Nice to see all the OGs on the chat. The meme when someone is talking about something we use, I prefer to just say a no. Oh, okay. In chat, there is no option to put the memes, right? I have ticked some different options so that at least someone can get more stickers in the chat, but stickers are not available. You can only use the emojis. I want to see how we can integrate that thing because I have seen some chats having that option, mostly the gamers chat. You bought this blue one, right? It's a good one only, this one. On Flipkart, good vibes. Buffering. Is it buffering? That's the mainly thing. Is it buffering? Because I do see some suggestion by OBS Studio, but I don't see any frame rate drops or any other thing. I just see problem with the audio. If it is buffering, just let me know. That's a member only thing. Oh, okay. Kyle is saying no. Okay, then I think Raj, I think it's your network problem maybe. I did that. You would have bought on Flipkart, right? That's why that name is like this. You want the blue one. Now it's out of stock. The pin code is different. White one is still in the stock. Here also it has so many reviews. See? It's almost 9 lakh 12,000. Hmm. Yeah, correct. Aditya is also here. We use the sticker tag. What's up? Aditya is here, so yo sare bande aa gaye hoye. Yeah, like everyone is here right now. From the day one, those who are there, the OG peoples are here. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, correct. Let's go. I think for stickers, this Nightbot is making some issues. Wait, I'll do something to get this out. Wait, I'll just remove the Nightbot from the manager permission so that you guys can put any emojis and you can spam in the chat as well. I'll do that. Or else this. Oh, he got a 5-second timer. Wait, what the heck? Why I'm not able to make it? I think when we are live, we cannot make any changes, but I'll do it before tomorrow's stream. Definitely. Why this glass heads are really good. Yeah, like it's the best one that you can have. See, no, like 9 lakh 12,000 people rated over here. On Amazon, there are like not this one is different. But that day we saw, right, the actual one. This one is the different seller, maybe. So that day we saw it was around 1 lakh. So you can think around 10 lakh people have voted it, which means they have said or bad or good anything. They have reviewed it. But there are multiple other people who do not review it as well, right? So there are so many of them. Nightbot beta masti nahi. I'll remove that Nightbot from that moderator role so that he won't disturb the chat. Yes, best wired phone. Yeah, it is the best one. The mic is also really good. I used to use it for playing PUBG Mobile that time when it was there, when the COVID. And many of my friends told me for that purpose only because footsteps you can hear very clearly in this particular earphone. Aditya is saying, I am a bass lover. I use them in my 8th standard and like, what the fuck, this were my first branded earphone. Mm, actually, yeah, for me also it was the first branded earphones that I got. What was the first brand? The branded one. And getting that much costly earphone that time was a really big deal. For 500 rupees also. You got a gaming channel? Yeah, I have it. I'm not that much active. It's with the name Krypton Gaming. Krypton Gaming. Thing it won't come like this directly. Previously, when I was very active, it used to come directly. Let's search with the name Krypton is live. See this channel. You can check this like on Saturdays and all. I do live stream some days. Cannot put it in the chat. Yeah, I can. Spam it in the chat like a gamer. I used to do that day I did some Valorant stream, basic gameplay. That time, okay. You could name that Unzip Gaming. UnZip Tech, actually, no, this name, I just kept it randomly. I wanted something to be unique and it will help me to boost that SEO. That's why you will see Krypton is also a unique name. You cannot find any other ID with this name. So wherever I create my gaming account, wherever I go, I can have this name. That's the reason I try to create unique names. And UnZip Tech also, I try to more brand it as UZT. That's what the name I'm trying to brand it as. I want to create some brands, really good brands. That time 600 were big deal. Haha, good times. Yeah, like that time 600 rupees was so much big deal. When I bought this first time, I was like, I will use it for 10 years. That one feeling I had that time. See mine. Damn, Aditya. Okay, let's see your channel. I think I cannot see it directly. Do you have the ID like this? You will be having some ID for your channel, right? Damn, Adi. Okay. I think directly with that also I cannot. This one, Damn and Adi. 40 subs. No, 69 is good. Filler guy to check out. Yeah, do check out Anoop's channel as well. I have checked it already. He is almost reaching the 1,000 subs, the benchmark. So make sure to check out his channel also. I always watch him. Yeah, you do always watch the live stream. First one, bro. One with the 40 subs. Okay, this one, right? I'll subscribe it with my main channel. I'll do subscribe over here as well, but I'll also subscribe it with my main channel. This one is just a demo account that I have created for live streams. And Anoop's channel is also there. I have subscribed it with the another account, but here I am not sure because this account is new. Oh, bhai, stream buffer for a second. Yeah, there is some issue. I'm not sure why it is because in OBS it shows everything fine. Mobile info no. Hello, welcome to the stream. By the way, make sure to spam your name so that I can call you with that one instead of just calling it with your tagline. Because Anup I know, Aditya I know, and mobile info no one. I need to know your name. Do review of your channel. Oh, channel review also will plan to have a video like that. Not a video, but a live stream like that to review the channels. I am trying to stick to the channel content actually. It should be little bit of a tech. So something related to tech if we can do no. Get some ideas. I want some ideas from you guys. What you guys will like to watch. I like to watch this setup kind of thing, setup reviews, what gamers do usually. So for that you will need a so much big community. Then only we can have some setup reviews. First are these and then other. It's something new. We can do that. Aditya, I have subscribed from that different account, or else we would have opened it over here. What's your like that at Adi something will be there, no? What's that tag? I'll subscribe with this account as well. I don't use this account to watch because I have subscription on my main account membership. Bro, the RAM and SSDs are blowing. Yeah, bro, I saw that. Like many RAM and SSDs are getting costly right now. Let's check the one which I brought. SSD WD black. I don't remember the exact price I bought that for her. SSD black. Okay, wait. This looks crazy. If SSD black S. Bro, this one I bought it for way cheaper than this. See, like I bought something around 5,000 something. No, I did not bought for 6,000, 7,000 also. Maybe the different model, but see the price hike that they have got. So much huge. If we go for last 6 months, see, I bought it for somewhere price around this, the lowest price, 5,000 something around 4,500. And then I got the SSD enclosure, I remember. Uh, at yeah, let's check his channel. Hey, not this one, your actual channel I'm talking about. Anub, I'm talking about your actual channel. इतना अच्छा इंग्लिश बोल लेते हो फिर भी 285 ही सब्सक्राइबर है क्या? Heck you. Yeah, bro. Like everyone sees me the same thing. I don't know why what YouTube is doing injustice with me. But my friend also who does live stream of gaming, he do not do webcam. His name is ORD Falcon. He was the one who boosted my channel on the first day. He bought so many of his viewers, his gamers, friend, and then the channel was getting around 20 views on the live stream on the first live stream itself. So he also says me the same thing always, that why you have very less subscribers, even though you make such a good content. Even if I go in his live stream and put something in the chat, he will start branding me only. Maybe it's because of my inconsistency. I don't upload videos with a consistency. It's been blowing since December. Yes, like the RAM price is blowing from December. I bought SSD Extreme 1 TB for 9.5K 6 months earlier. See, 1 TB was there for 9.5K. That is actually 9.5K is a very good price spot, I would say, for 1 TB SSD, because around 10K you get very good SSDs for 1 TB. But now the price will be so high. Bro, 30K under बेस्ट लैपटॉप बता दोगे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, साथ में गेमिंग और एडिटिंग भी हो जाती, तो भाई इन 30K you won't get a that much level of good laptop, but you can do 720p editing and 720p gaming in that, because this budget is little tight. At least you should have something around 60 or 50, I would say, because see, graphic cards are very costly. If you know, I told in my first stream that Nvidia has cancelled his launch for this year for the graphic card. They won't be launching any new model because of the chip shortage. So that much price hike is there. सिर्फ अ, एक लैंग्वेज से ही सिर्फ एक लैंग्वेज से ही थोड़ी सब्स बढ़ते हैं. Yeah, like that is also the point, that not only with English the subs will increase, but I try to create good quality content also. That is what my friend says, but still I see less viewers. It's because of inconsistency only. That's the only thing I need to cope up with. इतना इंग्लिश बोले पर मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं, पर इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो तो अच्छा ही बोल रहे हो. No man, not like that. I am trying to explain you what exact the things are. See, the reason why I started doing English YouTube channel, before this I have done like around 10 to 11 different YouTube channels, small only, never crossed 100 thousand subs. But still, I started with very basic. I used to upload musics. Then later on, I got to know about the copyright and all this in the 11th standard. After that, I slowly went to Hindi Tech channel. Then I went to something more better. Like this, I keep on hopping, and now I have settled down on English because it will improve my communication skill. Even if it does not pay me at the end, still my communication skill got increased, my technical skill got increased because of this technical YouTube channel. So that's the main point that I have got. So these two things will always be there. At 20 more and get Mac Mini M4. Yeah, Mac Mini M4 is good in this price range. 50K, it does very good job. Mac Mini M4. But there is one catch, bro. Like, not everyone is able to understand that. Even if you buy this one, it's like a CPU for 50K. Again, you need to spend for keyboard, mouse, and monitor. It's again goes around little bit of more amount, like 10K at least more. But still, it gives you a good productivity device. but you cannot do gaming on this. That's the one disadvantage, or else I would have sold my laptop and got this one. Just ignore this because in offers you will get it for lower price, and this is 5112. You can go for the lower one than this. And a monitor value for money. Yes, this is lot more value for money. M4 Mini does a very good job. Let's check on uni days because uni days will usually have those offers. This is where I got the student ID discount also. Let's check on Apple. No, I don't want to create an account. I have one already. So let's check for the Apple products. Why do they ask me to create accounts? The Mac Mini with education, you save 10,000. See, not up to 10,000. They are clearly mentioning you can save 10,000. On iPad Air, 5,000. MacBook Air, you can save this much, but again, the price will be different one that they would have getting it for. Now it will ask me to create account, showing that offer. You need to learn cooking and keep viewers engaged. Well, I'm not a big YouTuber, but at least what I learned. Yes, correct. I have tried some script like which has more hook, which has more different things. I know the way how to create videos. Like first you should have that hook, then you should have the actual explanation, then also at the end give the conclusion what the people should take away from this video. So all this I have tried, and what I feel with this is when you do all this kind of things, no, what happens in tech, you are not able to give the actual value. What you are trying to do is you are trying this story making kind of thing, so that I don't want. It will make my realness being lost somewhere. So I want to stick to the same way how I create video, the natural way, natural experience I'm trying to tell to people, and then I'm going with the stuffs. Even if it delays my progress, still I'll try to go the natural way because that's what the main focus that I want to be on. I want to create quality level content. If you guys know MKBHD, he makes really good quality content. The edits are very simple, but the quality is top notch. That's what I'm trying to build up. ब्रो मैं फर्स्ट टाइम लैपटॉप ले रहा हूँ, कुछ सजेस्ट दे दो तो मुझे लैपटॉप का अंदर का ए भी नहीं पता, तो क्या लेना चाहिए कैसे। माई रेंज इज 35K ओके है। लैपटॉप से क्लास करूँगा बट थोड़ा बहुत स्किल्स भी सीख लेगा एडिटिंग की। See, for editing, no, this would be a very small price. So I wouldn't suggest you for editing this particular laptop, but for other stuffs, you can obviously use this. If you're avoiding gaming, then in 35K, you can also get a good stuff. If you don't need much big performance for classes, for programming and all this, you can get something in 35K laptop and 35K. See, when you want to do gaming or video editing, you need the graphic card. If you don't want to do it for video editing or gaming, you don't need a dedicated graphic card. You can work with the integrated one also. And if you go with integrated graphic card, you don't need to pay much more higher amount. So that's one thing. VivoBook series is also very good, Asus. But let's have a look at something around 35K. 35K is actually a little bit less budget. See, you're getting Ryzen 3. You'll get Ryzen 3 i3 processors. You won't get i5. If you increase your budget around 40, 45, you will get something like this. You'll get i5s also. Now this i3 is 13 gen. That's the reason it's so much costly. The basic thing is you have i3, i5, i7. i9 is also there and others are also there. So this is the basic one in Intel. In Ryzen, you have Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, Ryzen 9 also is there. And in this, you have different generations or the numbers in Ryzen cases. So 13 is the latest that we have right now. That's in the budget. Okay, so you can also get see Ryzen 5 also you can get in this budget. Ryzen 5 is a really good processor. I have Ryzen 5 4800H. Now this one is U series processor. There is a difference between U series and H series also. That also you need to check out. Well, I am a cinematographer too, and camera work is 20% of the video. What are you editing, buddy? I mean, Mac M4 is more than enough to edit a good video or a short film. Yes, like Mac M4 does a really good job. That's no doubt at all. But his purpose, I think, is for laptop so that he can carry, he can attend his lecture on the go, and also he wanna play game. So that is one point that I have got from him. I work with brands and agencies and influencers, short and long format. Hey, is it like? This Anup and Aditya seems to be very much into this video editing and all this stuff. Seems like they are doing a really freelancer kind of stuff. The people who dreamed of this kind of lifestyle that they are having right now. Sell your soul and get a RTX 5090. Man, 5090 is very costly, but that's like a top-notch thing that you can get, right? Below that, there are so many options. What are you editing on right now? I think right now he does not have anything. That's the reason he is going with something, right? Mobile info, no? Can you tell us? First, tell your name, man. Like, I don't like it calling with your YouTube name. Instead, if I can know your name, I can call it with that. Like for Anup and Aditya, I know them now very well. Both are top-notch video editors. Just join the stream through you are asking me. Sorry, yeah. 5090 bro, that will be 10K light bill. Yeah, it will be very costly. And see, only getting that much high quality graphic card is not enough. When you get 5090, you will need a display also, so you can see those high quality resolution, right? So again, you need to invest in a very good display. When you're going with very good display, you also need, I mean, when you're going with very good graphic card like 5090, you need a good motherboard. You need a good power supply. So all these things will come. You need to get a power plant too. Nuclear power plant. It will consume so much energy. For crypto and all this, it's very good. For crypto mining. So 2000 watt ka power supply. 5090 with 720p monitor. Hell yeah. It will look crazy. Like person using 5090 and monitor is 720p. And let's hope on top of this, the person who does not know about these things, he is going for a 4K quality. He's selecting 4K in the game and using 720p monitor. How would it look like? Just imagine. 5090 with VGA panel. That's crazy. I think VGA panel is like is done, bro. Sleeper build. Yeah, like when you're showing someone, show that 720p monitor. When they will go through your entire video, show them the actual brick that 5090. That sleeper build videos that we see on YouTube. That not a sleeper build, that's a coma build. Yeah, true. Like sleeper build is something still we are able to see, but coma build is where it's not even getting used that much for that 720p or VA panel. In that complete amount that you will spend for buying the 5090, you can get a system for you. 5090 with i3 third generation. Let's go. Then it will be a very weird combo where when you open some processor intense task or processor intense application, it will be like very slow 20 fps one. If you open some games which uses entirely the graphic card, it will be like flashy smooth. You'll get 300 fps, maybe more than that, more than 300 I think. In Valo you can get 300 to 400 fps very easily with 5090. Why my Insta ID comment not reach to you? Oh, you have commented something on Instagram? I did not check. Actually, I'm not that much active on Instagram. Recently, I have installed it. Previously, I just used to uninstall it. Like last year, I remember I kept it uninstalled for the entire year, and in December, I did one last post. So that much I was inactive on Instagram. I can buy a whole land and can grow crop for 1 year and then buy that, right? So it's like around. At the end, you wanna buy that graphic card. Do you use monitor arm? I'm thinking to of that too. Yeah, Aditya, I use a monitor arm. I use Amazon Basic Monitor. I use Gas Spring one. I have the link in my another account. Here it is not visible. It was around 2500. I have brought it recently. I have a video that I have shoot for this, but not getting time again to edit that. Will take little bit more time because I want to speak in detail about that product. Mm, I'm commenting my Insta ID here, but it's not reached to you. Is it? I cannot see it in this comment. Maybe you are pasting the link. That's why that night bot is creating some. I posted my setup there 3 4 months ago. Not check. Oh, I this is the YouTube account, right? Or Instagram account. This channel. This is our friend's channel. See, it's about to reach 100. I mean, 1000 subs. Make sure to check out his channel. Also, I'll leave the link in the description. Help him to reach 1000. No. What about the watch time? Have you completed that? Okay, cool. No, we're saying I want a monitor arm too, but I don't have any more space in my desk. I need to use my old monitor, even though I'm using a second desk for only monitor. Lol. For the monitor only, you're using that. Instagram. Okay, in Instagram, I'll check separately. Your thanks. And it's like you guys coming here talking with me every day. It's been very close connection for me now. With Anoop and Aditya. Literally, we three just talk every night at this time. Just 900 hours left. Oh, 900 hours. That's like you have completed 3100 means 3100 hours already, right? So 900 is still not that big amount. And I think you have so many videos, 59. So easily you can get it. Creating this type of videos, no, takes so much of effort. Like I have tried this already. Takes so much of effort. Bro, Anub, you're really good with After Effect animation. Nowadays, I don't see any good editor. Let's connect, brother. Yeah, actually, I want us three to connect also. Add request on Aditya. Man, connect me also, bro. I'll have one Discord server. I'm planning for that. I already have one. I'll make sure to link it next time in the chat so that we all three can connect anytime in the day. just to talk or anything. Sometimes we can even do stream where we just talk about PCs that are specifically made for the video editors and all. Because you guys know about tech, you guys also know about the editing stuff. Too heavy for my PC. What's your ID and your name? I have ID one with the UnZip Tech also, and your name. My name is Shubham Gaikwad. I think with Shubham Gaikwad, you'll not be able to find it out. Tech group. Yeah, sure, a tech group. Actually, Discord server I have for UnZip Tech, but I haven't linked it anywhere. So I'll try to fledge that again. I'll log into my Discord account and I'll share you guys the link so that we can also share other things over there. You should, bro. It still save a lot of time. The thing you can do in AE, you can do in PR, but will that take more of your time? Like I did not get you. Like what exactly talking about? The AE and PR, I did not get this. Take more of your time. I know. Oh, okay. After Effects and Premiere Pro. Okay, okay. I know that After Effects is really cool. I tried using After Effects, but my system does not support that much. It's not well optimized for my system. Editing terms, sorry. No worries, man. No worries. I can understand a little bit of editing term because I have used the Premiere Pro and After Effects a little bit. Not that much to that major extent, but little bit I have tried. So I have a basic understanding. Uh, Oh, it's 12:09. You missed some chats. Read those, you get contacts. Oh, okay. I think here it is refreshing so fast. Yeah, bro. Tell me, what are you thinking of buying? In which context? Like any particular device? Error 404. Me? Both of you. I'm thinking of ZVE10. That I'm not sure. Oh, same. What's that? Is that a bike? Oh, okay, camera. I'm not that much into camera, but in future, I definitely have a plan to get a camera for videos with an 85 mm. 85 mm, I think you are referring to the lens. Yeah, with prime lens. Yeah, I know some things about it. My one of my friend is there who does all these things like wedding photography and all videography, and he does really good. Like he is having very good viewers on his Instagram account. He does drones and all these different things. What about you, Unzip Tech? Aditya, I am planning to have a camera, but I haven't went in depth into that camera technology. So I need to have some more clarity. And as of now, my budget is little bit having a constraint. So I am not looking towards this, at least as of now. I'll try to reach 1,000 subscribers first, try to get some earning out of it, and then I'll invest in getting more better quality content because already my phone is more than enough. I can just record on this iPhone itself. iPhone 14 I have. A660 is cool too. It comes with the IBs too. Um, for camera, it's a completely different tech, right? So I need to check those. I think with you guys, I can learn about that. Canon. Canon is, I have heard Canon is good for photos, whereas Sony is good for videos. Is that true? The tech thing you are thinking of buying, not particularly about camera. Um, about any technical thing, as of now, I don't have anything in my mind. But last year at the same time, I had something that was iPad. So I already bought it. This one, I told you, right? In the offer, Apple sale was there for student. So that I already bought. As of now, I'm just spending my money on paying this EMI. So after this, I don't have any big plans. Well, if I had the free will, I would love to have an FN. Tell me about this thing, no? Like for video, is Sony good or is Canon or Nikon good? FX3. Which iPad? iPad, this one is uh iPad Air M3 with the Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil I got for free because I had student ID. So I got the iPad for somewhere around 58 and 58 including the EMIs. It's extra amount that goes, right? And pencil was free. This is Apple Pencil Pro, which costs around 11K, but with the student ID, they gave it for free. So that was the offer that they were having. I just want to upgrade my GPU, bro. My current GPU is as powerful as my rotten potato. Okay, what which GPU do you have right now? Sony, I guess. Okay, Sony is better for video. I too thought the same thing. Every brand is quality good at this point. Okay. Sony Alphas are very costly, right? I have heard about it. Sony Alpha for video at low light. Yeah, depends on the lens. Some brand have variety, some brand have cheap lens. Okay. And skills also. Correct. Skills is a very important point. Overall, ATP Sony is better choice. ATP Sony. What's that? Any option like that? At the what's ATP? PTX 1650. Hey, 1650 is the 4 GB is like very old, bro. Like for gaming also it's little bit old. At this point, right? I was thinking the same thing. ATP is at this point. Bro, what the fuck, get 3060 at least. It's cheap. Yeah, like 3060 is a decent. I have 3050 in my ROG laptop. But again, laptop graphic cards are little bit low at speed as compared to the PC one. 3050 at this point it will be very costly. You can get this Zotac gaming easily. It's a 8 GB one. For PC gamers, no, this is the advantage. But for person like me, if I have a laptop, I can carry it, but I cannot upgrade it like you guys. Or else I would have upgraded like anything. Whenever I need something, I would have gone through it. I'm planning to buy the that 3060 12 GB. 3060 12 GB. It's trending only, I guess. Oh, nice. MSI, it is the MSI one. Yeah, bro. M4 mini skills in editing. Right now, also I have PS5, Ti Oh, Photoshop Premiere Pro open and you're also having a PS Photoshop. I read it PS5, sorry, my bad. You have Photoshop Premiere Pro, After Effects open at same time. See, this is the advantage of PC. Which graphic card do you have, by the way? I mean, which processor do you have, by the way? And 20 plus tabs open. Next level, bro, Aditya. No whizzing, but at same time, I am want to get the latest one cause I want to go with a big upgrade TPP. Yeah, so you wanna upgrade it, and the processor GPU price is skyrocketing right now. Yeah, GPU price are very huge right now. It's normally 25K. I have video 3060 used to be for 25K and now it is 50K. See, double the price. That's the thing, like because of this shortage. I have a 12400F, which means it will be a very good processor. i5, yeah. i5 can go with 4082, bro. Yeah, 4080. If you install 4080, no, it's a really good choice that you can have with i5 at this time. You guys are interested. By the way, what's your age, Aditya? I know about Anub. He's doing 12th. 12th is not the age. It's the standard. Usually don't go with F processor. Yeah. There are different numbers for the process that we need to focus on. My PC will explode, bro, if I dare to touch any other heavy software while we are open. Yeah, like it happened for me also. Even though I have such a good system, I have ROG with Ryzen 7 4800H and the processor graphic card is RTX 3050 4 GB 90 watt. Integrated graphics do help along with dedicated. I am 22. Oh, okay. 22 years. You guys have a really good understanding of a tech. That is what I can see. Because nowadays, what happened, people they just have the higher level view, whereas you guys actually go in depth. You guys do editing also. You guys are earning in this age also, and I am just doing the job and trying to do this. For freelancing, you have a very good option in editing, but cost less, right? Bro, I watch tech all the day. Yeah, I also like that. Romance is going on. It is, yes, the peak level of talk that we are having. Let's hop on to the film itself because anyway we aren't checking any products right now. It's almost at the end of the stream. You guys come so late, bro. Like I usually plan to end the stream by 12 o'clock and you guys hop on around 11:45 and then you will extend me for 1 o'clock. That's been a regular routine now to sleep late. Still, I feel good because I like to talk about tech with people who are actually into the tech. That's a good thing that we can talk about tech because people nowadays they just talk about other people's. But if you have someone who talk about upskilling, who talk about upgrading, then it's a really good thing. This is when my day begins, bro. Sorry. Oh, so you work in night shift? You were talking about setup review, yeah, and can give me suggestion about. I prefer NA. Okay. if we have Discord, no, there will be one more another good thing that can happen. You guys can post some pictures over there and we can also check that on live stream quickly. That's why that's a good point. I work all day, all nights. And then are you a Batman? Like when do you sleep, bro? When do you sleep, man? Now suddenly the chat rate has become slow. Previously, you guys were so quick when the topic was related to you guys. Like in tech, you guys are like, you know how much the software consumes, what all need the software needs, like that. So sometime I sleep on my chair, wake up, start working again. Is it that much high level of work you are doing? Seriously, what do you exactly do, bro? Just video editing or any other stuffs as well? You can cut a reel out of it. Yeah, I can do multiple things. Actually, for content idea, I have so many, but implementation, I'm zero. Because what happens usually, I do my college, the master's degree that I am having, and I do work for 9 hours for my office, and then I do this thing, YouTube again. So it takes so much of energy that gets drained into all these things. That's why I'm not able to do multiple things consistently. You, my chat are not going. Oh, is it? Because I don't see anything in the chat. Like, is it because of your internet? I gave you my. Is it because of your internet? Because you said there is a thunderstorm going on in your place, right? Aditya, do you play games? If he has such a good system, I bet that he does. Let's see what's his answer. I think he does. If you both play Valorant, we'll soon join someday. Mostly on weekends. Saturdays, I would like to play in the afternoon. And I also do live stream at that time. We can also do it together in case if you guys are also onto YouTube. Nah, I think you banned the word Instagram. Is it? Like, I haven't, bro. Like, I cannot see any chat over here also on phone where I have the moderator account. You can see, right? I don't see anything like that. If it is banning something, I'll get to know it right over here. Bro, I have Mac face. Oh, if you have Mac, then I don't think you will. I play GTA 5 offline. On Mac, how do you play GTA 5, bro? Is it available? Actually, not prefer rage baiting games. Okay. I preferred playing competitive game. I have interest in the competitive mode. You can play Minecraft on Mac, I guess. Okay, by the way, you two play Minecraft? If you do, then we will connect for that. Definitely. Because I like to play Minecraft. I used to play previous. I created a server on Ethernos, something that website was there. It allows you to create servers for free. We can do that also on the weekends. We can create a server, we can play into it on all the weekends. Minecraft is also a good game. We all know what Valorant does to a person, to a healthy person. Yeah, like I know being very serious, Valorant is not that harmful, bro. Like it just gives you so much of rage. You can play AAA title using some torrent website. Okay. I posted a video on 1st Jan. of my Ethernet server. If you have a Ethernet server, you can host that also. I would love to play on your server also. No problem at all. You can connect in that way also. But I don't have the original Minecraft. I use that some Java edition or different edition is there, no, for Minecraft. C launcher, something that software is there. I used to play with that for free because firstly, I'll try to create the Discord server tomorrow. Once I have that, we can easily talk and connect. That is what I think. But mostly the daytime, I won't be, not only in daytime, but every time I won't be able to respond, but I'll try to respond as much as I can because most of the time goes in the college, most of the time goes in the office work for my try to get a glance to that. Maybe you will love the server. Sure, sure. On 1st Jan, right? Okay, I'll check that video. Okay. Tonight I'll check that video. See, when you two guys are there, no, I'm literally just reading the chat. I'm not even looking what's going on the screen, how many viewers are there. I'm just looking through the chat and trying to read those. That much chat rate has increased. Adi will also can watch. Yeah, definitely. I will. I cannot say about Aditya, but I will watch that. Aditya, I think he would have slept by now on the chair itself. Okay, he is awake. He's awake. Maybe he have woke up now and he's working right now. What video, bro? He's talking about the Minecraft video about the Eternus. Haha. I played competitive gaming like games like PUBG also, BGM also. I tried to go to that BGIS. I did that also. I played some paid streams also I played for. And also I remember we played one match where we don't know that there were two matches for that round. We just played one match and we dominated the lobby and went to rank 3 without even playing the second match. That much point we gain in one single match. Nah, nah, where dead ass bats, bro. Oh, proper bat, you guys. Okay, Minecraft is cool. Yeah, we can try that. Just play it. I will not give you pick lol. The one game I love a lot is Half-Life. He is interested too. I don't know, but why some for some reason it's my favorite offline mode. Which one? The Half-Life 2. Currently playing the Resident 2. Gonna complete or remember. Okay, Resident Evil 2. I personally don't like playing story mode game that much. I don't know why whenever I play story mode it feels like not my type. I like to play competitive games. I like to play multiplayer games in short. Not exactly competitive, but multiplayer games. I enjoy with real people. I told you, right? I bought the controller also. I bought this controller just to try out some story. I have that GTA 5. So I tried that online RP, everything I did. Village, bro, play story mode. Do some dopamine detox. What lol? Wait, what is it? Some chat got banned, right? I can see that. Wait, I can pull that chat back. So, bro, I just completed the Resident Evil 8 Village. Oh, bro, Play Store mode. Do some dopamine detox. Sure, I'll try to play some story mode, but I don't know why. I tried it lot many times. I am not able to complete any story. In GTA 5, I haven't played any skill mission properly. What I used to do, I will download the files from somewhere where it is shown 100% levels completed, and then I'll put that file at one particular location. I'll do that cracking thing, and then I'll get 100% unlocked. That is how I play GTA 5. Nightbot just removed all chat of me. Yeah, but I read it. Like I can view that still. Tomorrow this thing will be solved. Tomorrow there won't be Nightbot, so you can easily chat. Nah, bro. Actually, be it will feel a little slow and boring at first, but you will like it. Then you play some. I have played one game. It was a game where it was some robot kind of stuff. I don't remember the name. It was in night mode, available on Epic Games. I had it claimed one day. I don't remember when I did it, but after that I started playing that one. What's your favorite story mode? It's now till now it's Prey. Prey, I think I have heard about this game. I'm not like a gamer, but hmm, I play specific games. Prey is real. I loved it. But let me check which this. I've heard this exact Prey, right? I thought it was a PlayStation game. Yeah, yeah, I know. I have seen this but not played it. I loved it, but I'll play many story mode games this year, like RDR 1, Red Dead Redemption, right? RDR 2, Resident Evil series, Metro, Last of Us, etc. You have played so many, man. Like when you're saying all this game, I remembered of my TL one day. Like plays a lot more story mode games. So he tell me all this. He has PS8. He has PS5. You are a cat in that. Yes, correct. GTA 6 is coming, guys. Yeah, it is, but just a hype. They haven't said any exact date. Only when they confirm the date officially, then we can trust on. It's on PC too. On PC, yes, that cat game, right? GTA 6 won't come soon on PC. I'm buying PS5 and the CD. Let's go. Let's go. Far Cry series is also good. Yeah, Far Cry also, my friend was suggesting me a lot. Try that out. Is it? It's coming on November. Is it like GTA is coming in November, but it will be on PS5, right? As you said, you'll be getting PS5. You will play games. We won't. Make sure to do live stream that time if you can, so that we can see you live. We can experience at least. Hitman, I have that on my pickup account. I have tried that one Hitman. Bro, they gave him the date. He's saying they gave you the date November 19, 2026. They have given, is it? Yeah, on PS. Oh, wait, let me check. Oh, okay. Did not see this. So then it will be launched. Great. PlayStation first, it will be launching on PlayStation. So PS5 price will increase a lot. Why it's taking so load? My internet having any problem? You guys also mentioned it's buffering, right? Yeah, on PS5. It's coming on PS5 or PS6? Did they mention PS5? You know, bro, I cannot play any games now. The price is estimated around 7 to 9K. The gamers will invest that much amount who actually loves gaming. Why? Because see, people invest in skins in Valorant a lot. They invest like 2K, 3K for just a single skin. Then they can easily this much in a game, right? जब नहीं कोई गेम डाउनलोड करता हो सकता है तो वो वीडियो खेलने it happens with every game. You are a gamer, proper YouTuber plus gamer, proper content creator. जब कोई गेम पर्सनली के लिए डाउनलोड करता हो सकता है then you should go with live stream. Why you aren't? Oh, it's PS5 properly they have mentioned. Then you should go with this thing, live streams. Do live stream while gaming. That will give you a more added advantage. See, what I believe is why I started YouTube while gaming is because I used to invest so much of my time in gaming. I thought why not to convert it to money by doing the same thing on the live stream. That's why I started doing live from the gaming perspective. Yesterday I downloaded the Rise of a Tomb Raider. I just opened and saw the UI instantly closed it. What was there that much? Tomb Raider UI. Remember light actually. Oh, okay, okay. There is a thunderstorm at your place, right? Oh, electricity issue and all this. That will be one of the reason like why you do live stream also. You'll be facing that case. My mobile, the chats are coming too fast as compared to get a UPA set for 2K will save a lot of money. Yeah, I think he already has one Aditya. K6 is gonna beat every game for 5 years of its launch. Correct. The GTA 5 itself, it has beaten for more than 5 years. Will be like, will be crazy. It like really crazy. I have a UPS. Yeah, like he has already mentioned it in one of the live stream. I remember. Anub is having you. So I still play 5. Yeah, I too do play. Like this controller, no, I specifically went for this pressure sensitive triggers for that reason. Like when I'm driving the car, no, I want to have that particular pressure. Like if I'm pressing it slow, it will go slow. So that particular thing I wanted, and that's why I went with this particular controller. Never got bored. Yeah, you will never get bored with GTA 5. If you have a very good, you can also join some RP servers. That will be really fun to play. Yeah, really, Red Dead Redemption 2 is a 2018 game and still beat latest games. Yeah, like some games are epic. They have created a very great. How much the controller costed? I think it was around 1500 to 1800, something like that. I don't remember the exact price. It's a Cosmic Byte, Cosmic Byte Ares wireless controller. Go with pressure sensitive trigger. It will be more fun. Yeah, bro. They are cooking. really bad this. This time the game will be really crazy. Does it has haptic? Yeah, it has haptic support. Most of the controllers will have that nowadays because that was that is the one thing that adds more value to the controller. My most viral video was a GTA 5 video. Gonna shake the whole market. Yeah, in gaming industry, yes, it will. And know about this website, GTA 5 mod, something like this. I'll show you. This website is there. 5. You know about this website? I've visited it a lot. I've tried most of the things out of it. Are we still live? I saw a warning reconnecting. Okay, reconnect. But I love Capcom. Resident Evil 9 is running FPS plus my GTX 4 GB. It is so optimized game. Like every game company learn from them. Is it like Resident Evil 9 is that good? Yeah, I loved had cars and bikes. And yeah, I too like I have done so many things with this. Like so many vehicles they have. But after this, you cannot play online or else you will get a ban. I used to spawn vehicles like anything. And I used to try with that vehicle keys, that lock and unlock key, everything. I tried those features also. Those might be under the script or tool. So many websites are there for GT. Bro, which mic you use? Anup watched the GTA 5 video. I use FIFA M8 mic. For that, Aditya, he has a very good story which he has already told to me. FIFA is really good at his service. That's what he has. I too have a FIFA mic. I just forgot about the C. Shared it. The story is like Aditya, what happened? Like Anu, after buying the same mic, that is the one which he has mentioned, the fine AM8 mic, it got broken by mistakenly by him after 1.5 years, and he reported it with the customer service, and they literally gave him a replacement plus half amount refund. It's a really good service, right? Volume is little low for me. Mic might be too far, maybe because of that. Actually, I don't know what happened after my recent update, the Windows update that I did. After that, the mic has started working little bit low. Means the sound is very low, even in my Audacity software. Bro, what the fuck? I think Aditya is talking about. I mean, he's reacting on the story that I told about your mic. You got replacement for the physical damage. Yeah, like that also outside the warranty. That's a big thing. Outside the warranty, you're getting the replacement. That's something crazy, right? But behind this, he has one more story. What happened? He connected with the people in India, but that time they did not revert back with anything. So later on, he directly connected with the China, the actual place where the brand comes from. So after that, they gave this refund and all, and because it took so much of time, they gave that refund amount, half of the amount refunded. The body was fine, but I got internal damage. I mean, the body was fine, but I got internal damage, and I even got to keep the old mic. Man, that you did not told me, bro. They are giving you the old mic also. On top of that, they are giving you new mic. They are giving you half the amount refund. Then what else is left out? The only thing is left out is that they will come to your home and they will personally give it to you. This much good service is like crazy. I did not send my damaged mic anywhere. They just sended me the mic directly. Oh, okay, okay. That's the reason, sir. Nice. I think that old mic is repairable. Yeah, you if you go with the physical store, they can. Not the FIFA one, but some local shops, they can do it. Crazy, bro. Hmm. It's 1 o'clock. I did not see the time. I should have slept by this time. My back started hurting today. The capsule is still fine. It has good quality. Yeah, like quality is really good. I have felt that. Yeah, bro, let's sleep. Yeah, Anoop and Aditya, you two will be like night guys. Yeah, really good. Let's connect tomorrow. Green face smiling. Sure, bro. We'll connect tomorrow. I think we should sleep right now because it's too late and we all have work tomorrow to do. So the stream starts around 10:30. In case if you guys are available, make sure to join early so that we can have very long talk. I'll try to work on that Discord also. I use it with the USB-C and I need to buy a interface to use with XLR. Oh, XLR one will give you more better quality. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Bye. Yeah, bye. Take care. Yeah, you too. Take care. Have a good day tomorrow. And we'll meet again at night to share the stories. We'll try to connect on Discord also directly so that we'll talk on live stream directly instead of you guys just putting the chat. Yeah. Good night. Good night, Aditya. Good night, Anu. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.